guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new item to show you by Cirkul. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this was sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for sending me your products to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have been following me for some time, you know how much I absolutely love the Cirkul. They got a hold of me back in 2020 and asked if I would be willing to review their product. And from that day until now, and still going strong, I am hooked. That is like the only thing that I am drinking willingly. I'm drinking so much water every single day because of this amazing design. But it just makes me feel so much better knowing that I'm drinking all of that water. I'm not drinking soda or juice or anything like that. And I absolutely just love all of the different flavors, and they're coming out with new flavors all the time. So there's always something for somebody. And I can't say it enough how much I love my Cirkul. As soon as I get home from work, which I do have one at work that I use at work, but as soon as I get home from work, the first thing I do is grab my Cirkul. I have it with me until I go to bed. The last thing I do when I turn lights off is put it back in the refrigerator. I absolutely love it. It stays with me all day, all night, because that's what I drink. So let's go ahead and dive in. They got a hold of me and they told me now that they have a new size bottle, which is now even larger than their other larger bottle. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's going to be even less refills. So please, yes, I would love to show my viewers. So what they had sent to me is the new bottle right here. I'm so excited. So I asked them if they could just send it to me in white. I do have a current white one now with a 32-ounce bottle that they have. So I'm like, I love the white one. It just matches with everything. And look at how large. This is their new 40-ounce bottle, you guys. You do get to choose the color of the bottle. They have several different colors. There's several different colors. And if one of them is out of stock, they restock very, very fast. So again, they have several different colors to choose from. And then the lid, there's several different colors to choose from as well. They sent me the one with blue. I think the one on mine I'm currently using is gray or black is what's on my other bottle. So this is how the bottle comes. Again, you get to choose your color here, you get to choose your color here, and then you put the cartridge in. I don't have one on here with me. I will go run and grab one so I can show you. I'll go clean this, add some cold water to it, and grab a sip cartridge so you can see how it is used in case you missed my other videos. They won't fit in cup holders being this big. I highly doubt, unless you have some new highly sophisticated vehicle that has huge cup holders. But the one that I have, my 32-ounce, won't fit in the cup holder, but the 22-ounce does fit in my cup holder because I had one of you guys ask me in one of my videos. So I took both of them out to my car and I was trying to figure it out. I'm like, oh, okay. So the smaller one definitely fits in my car. The larger one doesn't fit in there, but I just set it next to me or put it between my legs if I take it with me. So it's fine. But so they do have the 12-ounce. That's like a small one that you can do like for kids, or if you wanted a small thing just to put like by your bedside table or something like that. If you get thirsty in the middle of the night, I know some people drink water, you know, throughout the night. So there is a 12-ounce. It's great for kids. The stainless steel, their standard prices without any discounts, it's $25, or you can get it in plastic for $12, and it's just like a plastic bottle. I absolutely love the stainless steel bottles, and I stand by these 120,000% because it keeps it so much colder. I can put ice in here in the morning and I still have ice in it several hours later. It's still cold throughout the day. I stand by the stainless steel. The plastic bottles are great if you wanted to save money, but just know that you will get the water condensation on the bottle. Again, there's nothing wrong with it, but I'm just telling you the difference. This one, you do not get that condensation on it at all, no matter how cold it is inside. The plastic one you do. And the plastic one, it just doesn't stay as cold because it's just plastic, and especially holding it with your hand temperature, that kind of thing. So if you're wanting it to stay cold and you don't have that condensation on the outside, I highly suggest the stainless steel bottles only. No matter what size, but just the stainless steel. So that's the 12-ounce. Then they have the 22-ounce. That's the smaller one when it goes into like the standard size, the one that does fit in my cup holder. That one's $30 for the stainless steel, $15 for the plastic. Then they have the 32 ounce, which was the largest at the time. And that is $35 for the stainless steel, $18 for the plastic. And now their new large and in charge 42 ounce. Sorry, I think earlier I said it was a 40 ounce. I was looking at the $40 underneath it. This is the 42 ounce bottle. I apologize. So the new, brand new large and in charge 42 ounce bottle is $40 for the stainless steel and $20 for the plastic. Now, a little tip, if you do want to purchase, I will have them linked down below. You can follow the link to go to their website. But what I would suggest if you wanted to purchase anything is going to their bundle builder. Even if you just wanted to purchase one bottle, going to the bundle builder will at least start you off with 10% off. But the more you accumulate and the more you add to your cart, the higher that discount or the deeper that discount will get. So I think it's like 10 and then moves to like 15 and 20, 25 I think might be the highest, but it just depends on how much is accumulated in your cart at checkout, but it always starts with at least 10% off in that bundle builder. So to save money, that's the best thing. That's what I always do if I'm buying just bottles or just sips or both. I always do the bundle builder. So that is the prices for all of the different size bottles. I will actually grab my man has a black one, the standard size. So I'll grab his and my current. So then you can kind of see all three of them side by side if you are interested in the different sizes. But again, this is the largest one, the new 42 ounce. I'm super, super excited. So let me go ahead and get this in the kitchen. Let me get it washed. And then I will come back and show you how to use it and what the difference is between the three different sizes. So hold on. Okay, now I'm back with all of them. So this one here is my man's. This is the one that I already had. I've had this one for, I would say probably at least 2 years now. I've dropped it a few times. So I have one little tiny dent right here, if you can see that, and like one little tiny like scratch right here. But other than that, this thing is like, still looks brand new. See, I had the gray. Is that the black? No, that's the gray. His is the black. So this one's a little bit darker. So he has the black top. I had the gray top. This one now has the blue top. And then this is the difference between this size. So here, let me try to hold, kind of. Okay, so I was trying to hold them up together so you can see the difference. This one is a lot fatter than the black one, so that's how it's a lot bigger, even though they're almost the same height. And then you have this one. So let me go ahead and stick a sip cartridge in. This one here is the zero sugar. They all, I think, are zero sugar, 0 calories. This one's the Fusion Premium Body Fuel. This is Blue Magic. It's blue raspberry. This one's really, really good. And you know what's really weird? Okay, so before I had my favorites, like that was all that I would ever drink, was just those same flavors all the time, which was the mixed berries, the white cherry, the regular cherry. Even though I normally don't like cherry flavor, those were really, really good. The fruit punch. I mean, there was quite a few that were my go-tos, and that's like all I ever drank. But then when I got sick, I lost my sense of smell and my taste and everything for months and months and months. Now, like that it came back, or when it came back, everything is different. So now those flavors that I loved before, honestly, I don't really love anymore. They just don't taste as good as they did before because of how I got sick and everything changed. So now what I'm loving is like all of their lemonade. They have regular lemonade. They have a new orange lemonade. There's watermelon lemonade. There's strawberry lemonade. There's pink lemonade. They have so many different lemonades, and I'm obsessed with their lemonade. Like that is all that I have been drinking now for the past several months, is just the lemonade. That's all I've been drinking. But the beauty in it is there are so many different flavors. They even have coffee flavors. There's seasonal flavors. They have so many different flavors that are out there that there's going to be something for everybody. I believe there has to be something for everybody. There's so many different flavors. So let's go ahead and put in the blue raspberry, and I'll show you how this works. So when you open it up, this is your sip cartridge. This is the cartridge that you toss out. Everything on here, you stay. This stays, this stays. All you do is swap this out, and I absolutely love this concept Because if you are somebody who likes to have your water bottles or different bottles and it's really hard to get in and clean some, you know, some things just get nasty in areas that you cannot get to. Not with this, because the top that you're sucking out of, the part that's actually touching your mouth, this is what you get rid of after you are done. So you're putting a whole new one in every time, and I really, really love that, because you're not trying to sit there and clean little tiny nooks and crannies to get everything cleaned. Nope, you toss it, you put another one in, and it's just that simple. With these, you have the luxury of putting as much flavor in that amount that's going to be dispersed into your mouth per sip. And I am obsessed with this. If you want more flavor, you turn it up. If you have too much, you turn it down. If you don't want any flavor at all, let's just say you're going to be taking your medication after you brush your teeth, or you just don't want flavor, you can turn it to the X. You'll get no flavor at all, simply just water. So you can customize your drink at the turn of a dial, and I love that. So when you first get it, it will be on the X. That is what is for clear water. And then you just turn that 1 through number 9. So it goes all the way up to a number 9 is the highest. Me personally, even before I was sick and now, I always keep mine about a 4. Between 3 and 4, that's just enough flavor for me. If I turn it up to a 5, to me, it's just a little too much. But after I'm drinking them and I refill them several times and it's starting to kind of go like I've been drinking a lot of this, then I might turn it up to like a 5 or a 6 just to get the rest of it out. But for the most part, I normally keep mine on average at a 4 at all times. And I can fill up my bottle several times before replacing it. When you don't taste any flavor anymore, you replace it with a new one. So it's not just one bottle worth. You can keep going and going until the flavor is completely gone. I've never really sat there and tried to figure out how many bottles I go through per cartridge. I know some people have asked, but I know I'm refilling mine up several times before I have to change out the actual sip cartridge. So I'm going to put this on a number 4. So for me right there, it's going to be on a number 4. They do have this little thing right here. It's called a fin. So it turns with the thing right here. See? And now you can take your lid and you just push it back over that and it holds it back out of the way. So no matter what number you're on, it'll always hold your lid back out of the way. And I really like that. So you just take it, you just put it in, turn it, and that is it. Now I do want to say, like, this size right here will go with like one, a whole bottle of water with a little bit of ice will fit into that one. This one, I cannot fit 2 complete bottles of water. I can probably put a bottle and a half. So you definitely get more water in here than you do in this one. But I'm glad to say this one, I put 2 full brand new bottles of water, and it filled it up to about like right here with the 2 bottles of cold water, and then I was able to put in some ice. So that's amazing. 2 water bottles and some ice can fill into this. So I'm definitely getting more water. That's less refills and all of that. And I have everything in the comfort of one design. I have it all in there. I love that. So then when you do drink this, sometimes I know some people will say that it leaks. It doesn't leak. It is spill proof. It is spill proof. Nothing is coming out. This is completely full of water right now and ice. So when you do suck it, sometimes if you don't just take the last little bit of water that's off of here, with the next sip, that little bit of water might drop on you, but it's not actually leaking from the actual cartridge. It's just a little bit of leftover water that's sitting on the top of the thing. So you just drink it like normal. This blue raspberry, is that what it is? Yeah, this blue raspberry is so good. The blue raspberry and all of the lemonade are like all that I'm drinking. I do like that it does have this rubber thing on the bottom, so it keeps it from slipping. It just keeps it nice and just still. You don't have to worry about a thing with these bottles. So that is the design. That is how it works. And I'm just so excited that they came out now with a larger design. So there's that. Everything will be linked down below. I just showed you the difference between all 3 different sizes that we have here. You can definitely see this last one, large and in charge for the 42 ounce bottle. So again, if you do want to check them out, All of their bottles, all of their sips, everything that they have to offer will be linked down below. You can definitely go and check them out. So thank you so much, Cirkul, for keeping me in the loop and showing my viewers your new large and in charge bottle. I'm so glad that I can put in my 2 bottles of water and ice in that one. So exciting. So that is now everything for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, have you seen Cirkul? They sell them now. They had Bed Bath & Beyond, which a lot of those stores are closing, but they're inside of Walmart's. And if you wanted to go inside of a Walmart to actually purchase a few things just to try out, or you can go directly to Cirkul and purchase everything from their website. So, and they have really quick shipping. I just love them. So definitely if you want to go check them out, they will be linked below. But comment down below and let me know what you thought. Your positive interaction means the world and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew.